What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a very special pair of footwear. If you guys don't know what these are, you'll probably be pretty surprised. This is a pair of Crocs classic cowboy boots. It's not very usual for Crocs to be this expensive. I think they're about 100 USD or 145 Canadian. It's also not very usual for Crocs to come in a box like this, but hey, these Crocs are far from usual. Far from ordinary. Box opens, it says Crocs up here. Now if they made these in a crocodile skin, I'd probably buy them and keep them for myself, but I can't do that. I'm not really sure what this is called, but I mean, that's kind of cool, if you ask me. It's got like a little weapon with the back of the boot. Okay, so I believe this is called a spur, and when you're riding a horse, you press the spur against the horse's back and the horse will turn the other way. So I guess you learn something every day. I'm gonna throw these on, that's for sure. And also, if you're looking for a pair for yourself, there's a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should be able to grab a pair on StockX. Like, this is a crazy shoe. Honestly, if you're going to like one of those rock and roll festivals as a family, I think this would be a great family shoe to wear. You can match with the kids. Look completely ridiculous in a good way for a reasonable price. I'm gonna throw these on here in just a second. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below, please. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description if you want a pair for yourself, or if you want a nice pair of joggers or jeans. But yeah, we'll see how they look. I should say these are a little bit small for me, so they might not come on too easily, but we'll see. Actually, they fit me just fine. If I was looking for a pair for myself, I'd probably be happy with this size. I'd have to be careful not to scratch my floors with this. I'm forgetting what the word is called. The spur, the metal spur. It's actually plastic, but I don't want to scratch it or my floors. Got the Crocs on foot. They go hard. I gotta say, I have no issues with these. If you want to pull up wearing these, you're straight up gangster. I wouldn't mess around with you. I'd probably see if I could get these changed out for real metal spurs. Throw a motor in there so they're constantly spinning. I'm gonna throw a pair of jeans on so you can see how they look with jeans in just a second, but like, these are awesome. These are definitely a lot of fun. Now this is the closest pair of jeans I could get that match with the theme of this shoe. I don't think they can fit over the heel, over the leg hole, the shoe opening, whatever you want to call it. But here's how they look with a pair of jeans on. Let's push the camera back a little so you can see a little bit more of the frame. I gotta admit, I'd feel a little silly going out in these, but in the right place and the right time, these are very, very special. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. If you want a pair for yourself, probably not a bad idea to get it on StockX, as these are probably pretty hard to get right now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.